Hi friends, this is Nirmal Patel from Akshar Education, and today in this video we are going to have an introduction to BODMAS. So each and every component of BODMAS we are going to understand properly. At the same time we will understand the priority, and then we will do the practical understanding. So the students who are coming across BODMAS first time, this is ideal. But again, the students who are claiming, who are proficient in BODMAS, I'm pretty sure they have got something to learn as well, because O for order is not clear to 90% of the students, guys. So please watch this video till the end and you'll get the benefit. So the very first thing is BODMAS. Whenever you are doing multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, and bracket and everything together, you have to prioritize like which operation you are going to do the first. So out of all operation, number one priority is for the bracket. So whenever there is a bracket involved, we can see there is a bracket involved here. So when there is a bracket involved, you go to resolve this bracket first. Don't touch any part, only the bracket. So bracket has got number one priority. And the second thing is O for order. Now, a lot of students, or I'll claim like 95% of the students, really not clear what is order. Order is not like an order of operation, but the order is a power. So the second priority is for the power. So as you can see right here, we have got a power like 4 square, 4 power 2. So whenever there is a power involved, that power gets the second priority right after bracket. So that gets the second priority. Now you can see in this box, division and multiplication I put down in the same box because division and multiplication has got the equal priority. From left to right, whatever comes first in division and multiplication, that's what we're going to do. So there is no change. It's not like division is first and then multiplication. No, they have got the same priority. So they both has got priority number 3. Whatever comes first, left to right, that's what you're going to do first. And the last is addition and subtraction. As you can see, I made the one box only. So addition and subtraction also has same equal priority. From left to right, whatever comes first, that's what we are going to do. So that is our priority number 4. Once our priority is set, let's do this question, guys. While doing the question, one thing I would like to tell you is, whenever you are doing BODMAS question, do not do 2 or 3 operations together. Just do only one operation at a time. Your life is going to be really, really easy. So here, in the first step, I'm going to say like my first priority is bracket, and there is bracket here. So I'm not going to touch any other part. My full focus is going to be in that bracket only. So I'll just put down everything else as it is, like 4 plus 5 multiplied by 3, and then there's a minus. I'm not touching anything. My full focus in bracket. Now again, within that bracket, I've got 2 operations. One is the order is a power, and then there is a subtraction. Now we know order has got a first priority, so I'll be working out that like 4 square. So 4 square is 4 times 4, and 4 times 4 is 16. So I'll just change that to 16 minus 9. As you can see, I'm not doing many operations together, only one at a time. Now, still I have got a bracket here, so I'll be focusing only on this bracket. So I'll write down other things as it is. 4 plus 5 times 3, and then there's a minus. Now, in the bracket, I've got only one operation, 16 minus 7, minus 9. 16 minus 9 is going to be 7. So I can write that down as 7. Now my bracket is completely resolved. So bracket is done. After bracket, I've got order. There is no power involved here. So bracket is done, order is done. Now division and multiplication, if there is any. Let me check. Oh yes, I got a multiplication here. So whenever I have got a multiplication, I can't touch plus and minus. I got to resolve that first. So this is going to be 4 plus. and then 5 times 3 is going to be 15, and then minus 7. And now addition and subtraction has got the same priority. Whatever comes first from left to right. So I'll be doing 4 plus 15. 4 plus 15, which is going to be 19. And 19 minus 7 is going to be 12. So 12 is my final answer, guys. So as you can see, BODMAS, bracket, order, division order is again a power. Division multiplication has got the same priority. Whatever comes first, left to right, you're going to operate. Addition, subtraction, same priority. Whatever comes first, left to right, you can do. At the same time, only one operation at a time, guys. That will absolutely give the clarity and you can avoid silly mistakes. I hope you have learned BODMAS successfully. In the next video, we'll be doing a lot of different questions based on BODMAS. Till then, bye guys.